when we talk about animal stem cells, I know that immediately what we think about is like you get sheep stem cells and over time you'll develop like a sheep liver. It's not what happens. Like they don't really survive in the body. So they get eliminated, but in the meantime, they have released exosomes, growth factors. So that's really their effect. I don't think we will ever develop like an animal part of our body. Your animal-based stem cells will not survive. Your immune system will get rid of them. So they're playing a role in terms of growth factors. They release exosomes and they support the role of your stem cells in your body for a time. So there's benefit to them. But by far, human stem cells are better. And right now, what in my field, yours are probably the best.